Hello and welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the process of correctly filling out a California car title when selling or transferring ownership of your vehicle. It's important to complete this process accurately to avoid future complications. You can find the link to this page in the video's description. First, ensure you have the California Certificate of Title. If it's missing, you'll need to complete an application for replacement or transfer of title known as Form REG 227. This form can be obtained from the California Department of Motor Vehicles or DMV. Now, let's focus on the Certificate of Title. On the front, locate the section labeled Registered Owner. Here, you'll sign and date to release ownership. Make sure to use a blue or black ink pen and sign exactly as your name appears on the title. Avoid any errors, as mistakes can void the document. Next, provide the odometer reading. For vehicles less than 10 years old, federal law requires an accurate odometer disclosure. You'll find the designated area for this on the title. Enter the current mileage without any alterations. If there's a line holder listed on the title, they must also sign to release their interest in the vehicle. This is typically done in the section labeled Lien Holder's Release on the front of the title. After completing the seller's sections, the buyer needs to fill in their information. On the back of the title, they'll enter their full legal name, address, and sign to acknowledge the odometer reading. If there's a new line holder, their details should be included as well. Both parties should double-check all entries for accuracy. Any errors, cross-outs, or use of correction fluid can invalidate the title, necessitating a replacement and causing delays. Once the title is properly filled out, the buyer must submit it, along with any required fees and documents, to the DMV within 10 days to complete the transfer. The seller should also submit a notice of transfer and release of liability to the DMV within 5 days. This step is crucial to avoid being held responsible for any future incidents involving the vehicle. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to correctly fill out a California car title.